Hey, what is up, people? Are you want to edit this type of photos, but you don't know how to edit this and which software or which application was best for editing? So don't worry, here you got a solution. So hello guys, my name is Tejas Kushti. Welcome to our channel gossipfunda. Today we take a look of 11 application which is best for photo editing. So don't waste more time. Let's go for it. In our list, number one is Adobe Lightroom. It is most used application for a color correction. This application I personally use for editing my photos to upload on Instagram, any platform you want. Okay, they use a lot of tools. You make your videos at wonder level, at best level. Okay, they here I show you some demos. Like mostly Lightroom used for color correction. It is change your sky into red. Okay, flowers green into the yellowish tea light tone. Any type of tone you want in these applications. They given a lot of tools. If you want a tutorial how to use these tools, how I edit my photos, just let me in comment. I will make a video. Thanks. Okay. Also they give some presets. Okay, you directly apply and your photo automatically edited. So it is very good application I personally use. Second is the most famous application is Pixar. You click, you see the thumbnail. I make this thumbnail on this application Pixar. So many types of photos are for Instagram or Facebook. Any type of photos you want to edit, you just make in simply in Pixar. Every type of photos you use for Pixar, you use for thumbnails, logos, applications. Okay, you also change the letter, you change the font, anything is in your imagination. You do it. It is totally good and free software. So definitely check out. Third one is Snapseed. So it is also the most famous application everyone use for their editing. Here we see the result they use mostly used for color correction. Okay, it's also exchange your exposure. Okay, when we click a photo they have very dark tone, okay, due to the sunlight, but we make it changes and make our photo as perfect level to upload in Instagram and going trend. So yeah, now the fourth in the list is Adobe Photoshop. Okay, you heard that Photoshop name. Okay, this is the software, but this is the little version for Android. Okay, this is also available for a Play Store and it's absolutely free, and I'm telling you this is the best software after Lightroom I was use. Adobe makes awesome applications, man. So this is very good application. They have already given the presets, already give the effect. Just apply it and your photo was ready and upload it on Instagram. Now the fifth one is Plisma. So how this application was added? This application used for a photo editing mobile application. Okay, and I'm showing you the rating. They have the 4.6 rating. That's definitely good. Okay, it is the best app for 2012. And type of vector art you see the vector arts. So this vector arts making this type of vector art you make in this application. Here you see that the photo. So any type of vector arts, cartoon type of photos you make on these applications. So definitely check out. Now the sixth one is PSCO, that is, but it is also good application, same as Lightroom. Application also used for video editing. So yeah, it's work for two things. You edit your photo as well as videos. Okay, you done your color correction, you added some transactions, you add preset. Okay, you change your color correction, frame your photo. That is absolutely good. Next one is Wizard. It is only for iOS. Okay, if you have any iOS device, then this application was definitely used. Okay, and this is the best application for iOS. Okay, already iOS phones was pretty good, and this application make your photos next level. So that's it. Here are the top. So here are the our top 7 applications that you use to edit your photos and going trend. So download it and make awesome content. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel gossipfunda. If you want a tutorial how to edit photos and how I edit my photos and uploading on Instagram, please let me comment. I will make on this video. So please check out our gossipfunda webpage. Daily we are uploading new content for tech related and information. So just check out and you finding the awesome content. So don't miss this content. Thank you so much for watching this video.